Now let us see ceiling rows. The ceiling rows is another accessories of electrical wiring. Ceiling rows is a small piece of electrical wiring accessories. एक छोटंसं accessories आहे इलेक्ट्रिकल वायरिंगचं. सगळ्यांना माहीत असेल what is meant by ceiling rows. The function of ceiling rows is to provide electrical power to an electrical apparatus or appliances. म्हणजे आपल्या ज्या घरीमध्ये वायरिंग असते त्या वायरिंगमधून वी हॅव टू सप्लाय द पॉवर टू डिफरंट अप्लायन्सेस. म्हणजे काय, फॅन असेल किंवा ट्यूबलाईट असेल किंवा गीझर असेल, हीटर असेल, डिफरंट अप्लायन्सेस आर देअर. ह्याला पॉवर सप्लाय करण्यासाठी वी रिक्वायर द सीलिंग रोज. द सीलिंग रोज टेक्स द पॉवर फ्रॉम द केबल्स और कंड्यूट. हे जनरली केबल्स आणि कंड्यूटच्या वर असेल आणि खालून हे टॅप करून देर आर टू टर्मिनल्स. सो फ्रॉम वेअर वी कॅन टॅप द रिक्वायर्ड सप्लाय अँड कॅन कनेक्ट टू, फॉर एक्झाम्पल, the tube light or to the fan. That is to tap the supply and connect to the lamp or fan. Even though its name is ceiling rows, but it can be mounted on walls of the building as well. जरी नाव ceiling असेल, basically it is used on the ceiling under the what we can say under the ceiling. It is mounted on the ceiling, but it can be mounted on the walls as well of the building. It has two parts. त्याच्यामध्ये दोन पार्ट असतील. नेमली द बेस पार्ट विच कॅरीज द ब्रास टर्मिनल्स ॲज शोन इन फिगर. आणि दुसरा जो पार्ट असेल दॅट इज कॉल्ड द कवर. द बेस इज माउंटेड ऑन सरफेस ऑफ सीलिंग और वॉल with the help of screws, and other is cover which can be fitted on the base, and it has a large hole at the center so that we can connect the wire leads for the lamps and fans. There are two types of ceiling rows. एकाला म्हणायचं two plate and second is called three plate ceiling rows. Two plate ceiling rows has two terminals and is a very simple accessory to connect directly to the appliance via phase and neutral wire. दोन टर्मिनल असेल, त्या दोन टर्मिनल एकाला फेज असेल, एकाला न्यूट्रल असेल, so that we can connect the appliance, like for example lamp or the tube, directly to these two terminals. Of course, the three plate ceiling rows has three terminals. Two plate म्हणजे दोन टर्मिनल, three plate म्हणजे three terminals. This is generally used in the loop in lighting wiring system as shown in figure. Let us see how the three pin terminal or three plate terminals are used. The upper one is a two plate which is having the two terminals mounted on the base, and right one is the cover which cover the ceiling rows. And we can see the hole at the center of the cover. ज्याच्यामधून दोन वायर बाहेर येणार आणि त्या वायर we can connect to the fan or the tube lights. Similarly, in case of three plate, there we can see that there are three terminals. तो बेस आहे आणि राईट हँडचा जो आहे that is a cover. Now here we can see how the three plates ceiling rows are used. In case of three plate, there are three terminals. एकाला कनेक्ट केला असेल न्यूट्रल वायर, एकाला असेल फेज वायर आणि एकाला असेल ऑफ वायर. ऑफ वायर काय मी नंतर सांगेन. तो फ्रॉम स्विच बोर्ड वी कॅन सी देर आर टू वायर्स. वन एक फेज वायर आहे आणि दुसरी ऑफ वायर आहे. and the neutral is directly connected from one ceiling rows to another. So there is a looping of neutral from one ceiling rows to another ceiling rows. We can see there are three ceiling rows. That is, one is lawn switch, another is for the kitchen switch, third is for dining room switch. So there are three ceiling rows and neutral is looped from one ceiling rows to another. Similarly, there is a live wire or the line wire which is connected from one ceiling rows to another ceiling rows. And the third terminal is directly connect to device, that is appliance. तो fan असेल किंवा ट्यूब असेल. As shown in figure, phase wire, that is red wire, from switch, and the neutral wire, that is black wire, directly connected to the two terminals of the ceiling rows. Two separate leads are taken from terminals red and yellow of ceiling rows and connected to the lamp and fan. Generally, ceiling rows are made from plastic, the PVC, the metal, the brass, or even bakelite. Now, the last figure shows how we have to connect the ceiling rows to the appliances. There are two incoming wires, जो black है, neutral है, red है. That is a phase wire that is connect directly to the two plates of the ceiling rows, and the devices, the appliance or device is connected through the upper cover. At the center hole we can see there are the two wires, the yellow and the red. They are connected to the two terminals of the ceiling rows.